Hello friends, why the car pulls to the side? Problem with the suspensions. Another reason why the car pulls to the right can be broken suspensions. If the running rate element fails in the certain way, then the consequence of the breakdown can lead to a situation when the car is thrown in different direction. Moreover, this happens expectedly for the driver, which is the often cause of the accident. However, most often the steering wheel just pull it to the right. An experienced driver can easily cope with such an inconvenience on the way to the service station. Camber is the deviation of the wheel along the vehicle axle. It can be positive and negative. It's the positive that's the most likely used in your car. It's positive, it provides more uniform tire wear, increases the service life of part. The reason that the steering wheel constantly leads to the right can also be incorrect convergence. This is the location of the wheel on the horizontal axis. If the lowest part of the wheel sticks out, then the convergence is called negative. This option is mainly used in cars with rear wheel drive. If the lower part is inside, then the convergence is called positive. So how does the camber and tow affect the fact that the car pulls to the side? Everything is very simple. This side is a mechanical deformation from whichever large gaps appear. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.